Hey YouTube, I'm just gonna make this quick video here. I'm chasing down some sort of starting issue on my truck. It's 2006 3500 Ram diesel with an automatic, and I just did new batteries on it, cleaned all the terminals and stuff. But it's still cranking real slow, and I'm kind of leaning towards starter maybe being tired, but I don't trust the battery terminals on it because they are all chewed up. So I'm quite certain those should get replaced at some point too. And I don't trust the connections of the cables within the battery terminals themselves because I've seen them break away and cause issues with starting on my old second gen RAM. So let's crank it up and see what you think. It's not a fueling issue, and it shouldn't be a voltage issue unless it's the voltage getting to the starter. That's the problem. So let's take a look. Okay. So I did just run the truck earlier today around lunchtime. It's about 3:30 or so right now. So I don't know if you heard it, but it was cranking pretty slow. The first cold start of the day, it does take a lot longer, especially if it's like below 40 degrees. I'm chasing down issues, so I'm gonna chase down those other warning lights. But let me know what you think. If I'm gonna be looking at doing a starter, or if I should just go ahead and redo the cables first and go from there. But just post up in the comments. Thanks.